The one thing to know about Ohiomeansjobs is we are here to help you with whatever workforce needs you have. This is completely free to you, and there is somebody here that can help you through whatever barrier you might be experiencing. We have so many partner agencies we work with that we don't have any barriers we can't support you with. So just stop by, talk to us, and let us help you. Depending on where you're at in your journey, I suggest just popping in and meeting with us, and we can kind of find out where you're at in your journey. We actually have people do that all the time. We have postings here within the lobby for immediate work. We have job order reports we can share with them and help them maybe update a resume, apply for jobs here while they're in the building. So kind of help them get their foot forward. I think having the uniqueness of Butler Tech and Miami University in the same space really provides us some leverage within the community. And it shows that we can partner well with other agencies as well. We also have an opportunity to positively affect the students within the space too. So it's kind of fun to see it all come full circle here at AmHub. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.